How to use State Farm Auto Insurance. Also, properly beginner mistakes that cost you. State Farm is one of the largest auto insurers in the US, but many drivers make mistakes that can cost them hundreds or even thousands of dollars. The surprising truth is that simply having coverage doesn't guarantee full protection. One common mistake is underinsuring your vehicle. Many people choose the minimum state required liability coverage to save money. While this meets legal requirements, it may not cover the real costs of an accident. Consider adding collision and comprehensive coverage, especially if your car is newer or valuable. Another frequent error is misunderstanding deductibles. Some drivers assume a lower deductible is always better. While it reduces out-of-pocket costs after a claim, it raises your premium. Conversely, a higher deductible lowers your premium but can leave you struggling to pay for repairs if an accident occurs. Choose a deductible that balances cost and risk. Failing to update your policy is another trap. Life changes. New drivers in the household, moving to a different area, or buying a new car can affect rates and coverage. Not updating your State Farm policy can result in denied claims or gaps in coverage. Many people also ignore optional discounts. State Farm offers discounts for safe driving, bundling policies, and even having certain safety features in your car. Skipping these could mean paying more than necessary. Finally, not understanding your claims process can be costly. Always know how to report an accident promptly, document damages, and communicate with your claims representative. Delays or incomplete information can slow your claim or reduce your payout. By avoiding these mistakes, you can make the most of your State Farm auto insurance. Ensure proper coverage levels, choose the right deductible, update your policy regularly, take advantage of discounts, and understand the claims process. This way, your insurance works for you, not against you, giving you peace of mind on the road.